Okay.
Hi, my name is Steve Huntington. I'm a first-year student here at Ivy Tech pursuing a degree in business management. I was born in June of 1979 in Houston, Texas. After about 3 months, my mother then decided to move back to Hope to be closer to her parents. I grew up in Hope for the remainder of my childhood. Graduated from Hauser Junior Senior High School in May of '97 with an Indiana Academic Honors Diploma. After a short stint then at Vincennes University that didn't work out so well for me, I moved back to Hope and entered the workforce at what is now Columbus Components Group. I've been married for 6 years. I have an 8-year-old stepson and a 5-year-old son named Caden, who is really just a small clone of my son. Columbus Components Group, or CCG for short, is a Tier 1 supplier to most major automotive manufacturers like Cummins, General Motors, Chrysler, Ford, and Caterpillar. We make emissions equipment, airbag components, and are one of the only companies in the world that can do deep crawl fabrication of oil gears. In my 10 years here, I've had many different jobs: production, quality, auditing, and tool making, and all of them have given me something to do better at my favorite job, which is group leading. Group leading allows me to develop people skills needed for any managerial position in the world. Mixing different personalities and trying to get them achieve a common goal is a challenging yet rewarding experience. My best experience group leading was the ability to get to go to Tianjin, China for 2 weeks with our sales rep and do a runoff for some international dies that we'll be making at our facility. Experiencing a different culture outside of the U.S. has really changed the way I look at the world, and one of the biggest contributing factors to me going back to college. Currently, I group lead 5 robotic and handheld weld cells. This is a little different than what I'm used to, as it requires more shipment-oriented approach. Trying to manage the 5 different weld schedules plus 2 or 3 parts per cell is a challenging experience, to say the least. But it has taught me how to multitask better, which is another skill I feel is needed to be successful. In the future, I definitely look to move into management, probably within the next 2 or 3 years, if everything goes well. I'm kind of torn between what I'd like to do. Engineering and quality attract me, but I think I would be better at sales and marketing. Going out into the world and developing our suppliers and our customers is something I think I would be good at. It also allowed me to do more traveling and experience different cultures and traditions. If you asked me 10 years ago what I thought my favorite job would be, I can assure you it wouldn't have anything to do with manufacturing. Now I can't imagine doing anything else. The mixture of physical labor and critical thinking to keep it all together is something that's rewarding. It's also something that's different every day, and I wouldn't want to turn that down. Thank you. Turn it off, Jeff. Big button.